What's coming up next for Cristin Creates? Oh, you're gonna love it, I promise. Guess what? I'm so excited. I have to tell you about our next project that's coming up very soon. Are you ready? Hey, did you tell them? What? Spring showers. I did. Yes, the new quilt. I told them. Yes, spring showers. It's going to be so fun. From Kimberbell. I know. Did you tell them about our sponsor? No, I was telling them about a project before spring showers starts. Daylily Fabric Shop. Yes, they know. Did they already order? You have to pre-order. Daylily. Yes, Daylily Fabric Shop. You know all about it, right? You already pre-ordered? Don't forget to tell them about the coupon code. The coupon code. Yeah. Cristin 2022. And if they click on the link in your video, it'll go directly to the coupon. It'll take the coupon right off. Yes, the coupon code is, like I said on the other one, you just click on it and it will automatically take the discount for you. When is it going to come out? Probably the end of February, beginning of March. I'm so excited for this one though. As soon as it comes out, we're gonna do it. We're really excited. Do you think everyone's ready? I know it's gonna be so cute. Are we gonna do it together as a group project? More fun together. Thank you, Daylily Fabric Shop, for sponsoring this project. Well, they all keep saying that you need more of you, so a twin. I don't. No, no twin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so as I was trying to say before we got interrupted by my fake twin, we have a new project coming up and I am really excited about this one. So this one is going to stretch all of us. We are going to do a project that isn't an actual project. It is a created project. So I am calling this the Stash Busters Challenge, the winter edition. So you know the Lucky Us bench pillow by Kimberbell? It's really for March, right? It's a St. Patrick's Day pillow. So I had a fun idea. I thought we could do that pillow, but in a winter theme. So we'll have to do a lot of changes, and I went ahead and I figured out what size for each block and what could go where and everything. And I'm so super excited about this one. So I hope you'll join me. Stash Busters Challenge. So I am going to give one block a day or every couple days, depending on how it goes, like if everybody keeps up. So we will start when you're ready. I know some are still finishing up their table runner. So I'll put out a post, or actually, let's just say right here, tell me when you're ready, all right? Give me a date. Like, I'm hoping for this week. I'm really excited about this one. So I'm hoping this week, and there's no prep work. All right, we're gonna do it as we go. This is a Stash Busters Challenge. So here's the plan. I'm gonna give a block, and kind of like the mystery quilt. Remember, a bunch of us did Love Notes mystery quilt last year. It's kind of like that. So this is kind of a mystery pillow. We're making a pillow. It is using the Lucky Us pillow. So you do have to buy that from Kimberbell in the vault, the Lucky Us pillow. And so here's the nice thing. I don't remember, I think it's like $24 in the vault for that Lucky Us pillow. And you'll be able to use it at least twice. So you're really gonna get your money's worth out of it. So we will do the Lucky Us pillow with changes. We're gonna make it into a winter theme, and I'll give you more information on that. Okay, so Lucky Us Winter Edition. So this is how it's gonna work. So let me just show you. I worked really hard coming up with a plan. So This is your part. Your part is you need to go to the vault on Kimberbell. There is a link in the description under this video, direct link to get the Lucky Us bench pillow. So if you have a quilt shop that you like, please use their affiliate link so that they get a little credit, that your quilt shops will get a little credit. I will also add the affiliate link for our past sponsors. So we've had we have Daylily Fabric Shop coming up soon, and we just finished with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop for the Clear Blue Tiles table runner. We used Your Best Friend's Quilt Shop for Candy Cane Lane, and Candy Corn. We did candy. Gosh, we've done so many projects already. And Oma Darling sponsored Candy Corn Quilt Shop. So one of those, or your favorite quilt shop, whatever, if you can click their affiliate link and then purchase your Lucky S, not bench pillow, just regular pillow, Lucky S pillow, and any quilting designs, whatever. Whenever you buy from the Kimberbell vaults, you want to use an affiliate link for the quilt shops because it gives them a little credit. So we do not have an official sponsor for this project. This is all Kimberbell products that you could, if you choose, you can get a Lucky Us fabric kit from your local quilt shop or online quilt shop. But right now we're going to work on the winter edition, and the winter edition is a fabric stash buster. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. For now, get the Lucky Us pillow from the vault, and then start thinking about fabrics. So here's what I'm doing. If you pick one fabric as your main fabric, not really main because you're not going to use it a whole lot, but just your main design. So here's what I did. I've chosen this really pretty floral winter colored. It's got light aquaish tealish and darker teal and some gold and some navy. So this is going to be my starter point. And then what I like to do is at the bottom of your fabrics, there's these colors that give you an idea of things that go well with it. So like gray and gold and teal and navy. So it gives you an idea of some colors that coordinate well. All right, so we are going to do this block by block. So each block, I will say, this is what you need, and then you decide using your fabric stash what colors that you want for that block. So one thing I will warn you, I initially was going to use white snowflakes. It's white fabric with white snowflakes, white on white, for my background on some of the blocks. And then I realized, well, hint, we're going to use some snowmen, right? This is a winter themed pillow. So snowmen. So white applique on white on white. It's a lot of white. So I've decided I'm going to use gray on some of my blocks, and you won't know what your blocks are. So don't worry about pre-planning the whole pillow. You won't know. This is like a mystery challenge, right? So, but I wanted to give you that hint. If you plan on using white on some of your blocks, we are going to use snowmen. So that's your one hint of the day. So a good idea would be, like, you could use Kimberbell Basics for this pillow, and like I said, you'll get more information as we work on each block. But the fun thing about this is it's going to be super unique, right? We're going to see all these pillows, and basically it's the Lucky Us pillow, but we're going to adjust it and make it a winter theme. So how fun that we'll see everyone's different pillows with different fabrics, and it's going to be really fun. So I'm excited about this one. And like I said, I think we're going to stretch our abilities a little bit on this one, just a little bit. I think it'll be really fun because really we all just follow the guide and we make our pillow. This one is going to be more unique and more fun. I think this will be a really fun challenge. So back to the white fabric. So you could use Kimberbell Basics. You could use whatever you've got in your fabric stash will work great. And they don't all have to exactly coordinate. You can have pops of color. It's whatever you like. So this will be really fun. But winter is your main theme. All right, so if we are doing snowmen on some of the blocks, then like I said, white on white on white could be kind of boring, right? In my opinion, you can do white on white on white. You can do it however you want to do it. But there is a Kimberbell basic that is light gray with white dots. This would be a great alternative for a background. So just something to consider. There's also gray with big snowflakes. There's also light blue with big snowflakes, plain blue, you know, really whatever. So the main thing at this point, until we start on the first block, the first thing now is to look through your stash and pick a main color theme. Easy peasy, right? You got this. Main color theme. So this is mine. So think about winters. Blues are great for winter. Teals. Personally, I love teal and pink. Mint and pink. Oh my God, love that. So many ideas, so many things. But if you pick one main design that has, one main fabric that has a design to it, or stripes, or geometric, or whatever the case is, it could even be one that has like a Christmas theme on it. This would be super cute. Penguins, right? Whatever it is, look through your stash and pick coordinating fabrics, or pick one main one for now. That's all. All right, once you have your main fabric chosen, then as we work on each block, you could go through your fabric stash and just pick colors that are going to match, that are going to coordinate well, or pops that are totally different, you know, whatever works for you. But this is just my suggestion, to start with one main fabric, and then from there we'll pick out coordinating fabrics. More on that later. Okay, as I mentioned, you're going to need the download of the Lucky Us pillow that is in the Kimberbell vault, and to please use your affiliate link. So one other thing that we need, look through all of your Kimberbell CDs. You might already have this. I already had it. I was pretty excited. I bought this years ago. This is called a Kimberbell Winter Volume 1. And if you don't already have it, don't start freaking out that all the quilt shops are sold out, because you know what? It's in the vault. So this is a great one. We're going to use a ton of these designs. So of these 12 designs, I think there's 12 total designs on the CD, and the price on it in the vault is $19. When I bought it, it was quite a bit more because it was not from the vault. So mine is a CD, but like I said, it is in the vault now. So you don't have to worry. You can get this in the Kimberbell vault. There is a link down below. And like I said, when you buy from the vault, please use your affiliate link for a sponsor. So of the 12 designs, we are going to use 7 of them. So you're going to get your money's worth out of this pillow, and you can use them for a ton of other projects. I don't know if you saw in the Kimberbell group a couple of years ago, I made both of these pillows for my porch. They're sitting out there right now. In fact, they're my January porch pillows, and they're so cute. So there are a bunch of really cute designs on here, and I thought it would be really fun to use our winter theme to make our own unique pillow. Our own unique pillow. I love that. I'm super excited about this. So we think about the possibilities on this, right? I mean, my head is kind of going, ooh, I could do this and I could do that. And so anyway, we're going to work on it together. It's going to be really fun. We're going to learn some new things, and it's totally manageable, totally doable, and it's going to be really cute. You should see all the designs I've chosen for each of the blocks on the Lucky Us bench, or not bench pillow. I keep wanting to call it a bench pillow. It's a pillow. So Lucky Us. And then I haven't decided if we'll do Lucky Us after we do this pillow or at the same time. That might be a little bit too much. So give me your feedback on that. What you think would be best, if we do both of them together, or if we do one and then do the next one. But this is our own version of the Lucky Us pillow. It will be the winter edition stash, fabric stash buster. I love that. All right, so start picking out your first fabric, your main, the one that you want to coordinate with, and then get your Lucky Us pillow from the Kimberbell Vault and the Kimberbell Winter Volume 1. Check and see if you've already got it, if you bought it in the past and just haven't played with it yet. Or if not, you can get it off of the Kimberbell Vault. This will be fun. I'm super excited. So don't forget, let me know when you're ready because I want to start on it like now.